Hey guys, Old Beaver Cars Workshop. Well, we got some new models for the stash, and I'll show you what we got. How about that? Toyota Celica. These are pretty cool cars back in the day. I thought I'd like to have one in my stash. I don't have one, model collection. I thought it's kind of cool car to have. So, found these on eBay. So, box art. Used to be one of these running around my town. I think it was a red one and a blue one at one time. Well, probably lots of these running around at one time or another. Now they're all made into pop cans now. But yeah, so you can obviously tell this is a Asian model because the steering wheel is on the other side, and it has these fancy like the mirrors. I guess they came on these cars on the fenders, and I guess when they came into North America, they put the mirrors on the doors. So so there's that. And then we got another cool model. Look at that. Skyline. These are pretty solid. These are pretty well sawed off, sawed after cars. How you would say that? And I've never seen real life. I've seen them on YouTube and stuff, but that's about it. So they're kind of cool. So they have a really interesting look on them. So I guess they do. I guess they erase these somewhere. I think they erase them in Asia or something like that. I think they use them for rally racing or something. But they're very cool. GTR race model. So. Okay, now this is something I've been after for quite a long time, and I haven't seen one in a long time. Look at that. I was thinking about one of these the other day, and then I came across this kit from the same guy I bought these kits from. And I also like Land Rovers. Pretty interesting vehicles in real life. They're actually made all of aluminum. So, and some had front PTOs and rear PTOs and all sorts of stuff. And they're really interesting and neat. And I need to have one in my collection because it brings back a lot of old memories. I think I actually tried to build one. I think I built one out of scratch many years ago. It was a green one. So, yeah, very interesting. And this is a fire truck model. It goes along with my other fire trucks I have. The 1/24 scale. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, so I just took it out of the box literally a few minutes ago. Popcorn peanuts on it still. But that alone, this makes like a nice picture, right, to put on a wall or something. I really like that box art. I think this might be actually a longer version. It might have a bit of a longer box on it. That's kind of cool. Yeah. It looks like it is a longer version. You can tell by the wheel. I think that on most of them, the wheel will probably be a little more closer to the front here. Anyways, it's cool. So, just a little stash update. We always trying to add new models and such to our stash, of course, and going forward. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stash is growing again. Alright guys, bye for now.